This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English Punctuation and Fragments question. So we see here in our answer choices that they all are very similar, but they reflect for different punctuation between this goes and rehearsal. So with a question like this, we want to make sure that both things on each side of the punctuation here are indeed full sentences, so we're not creating any sentence fragment issues. So that's going to be the first thing we're going to look at. So we see that the first part of the sentence is a full sentence. It's about brides buying gifts for grooms and people buying various gifts for each other. Let's check the last part to see if this is a sentence. So we have this period here and it says, rehearsal dinners, last fling dinners, showers, the spiraling carnival of splish splash around the wedding itself. So it's a pretty long fragment, but it's still in fact a fragment. So we're going to want to look for a piece of punctuation here that doesn't set this second part of the sentence off like it's a full sentence. So a period is not going to be good because it will create a sentence fragment issue. You see that choice 4 also has a period. Also going to be bad. We don't want to be creating any fragments. Choices 2 and 3 both use a colon, which is going to be great because a colon is a good way to separate a list of things and not cause any fragment issues. So they're very similar, except choice number 2 is not capitalized, choice 3 is. So a good rule of thumb, when you have a colon, even though you're setting something apart, it's still part of the same sentence that begins with this brides. So we don't want to capitalize anything in the same sentence. So choice 3 is going to be bad because of the capitalization. Choice 2 doesn't have this capitalization issue, and as we saw before, it correctly sets this second part of the sentence off without making it a fragment. So choice 2 is our answer.